Welcome back to the channel, UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our daily breakdowns on law, police conduct, and real-world rights in action. Now watch closely, because what you're about to see is a perfect example of how quickly a simple encounter can turn into a constitutional showdown. This scene starts hot. A bystander calling out what he believes is an illegal search, officers demanding ID without clear grounds, and tensions rising on both sides. Stay locked in. The twists come fast.
This is a legal detain. What crime was committed? Who would they say was watching? Who they said that did it? Who are you looking for? What's the person's name? What's the description of the person, officer? What's your badge number? What's your badge number?
Rosenbaum 161.
161? Okay. I'll be calling your office. They know who I am, Toy Battle.
Pause for a moment, because what Toy Battle is doing here is exactly what many people never realize they're allowed to do. In most jurisdictions, officers must have reasonable suspicion tied to a specific crime before demanding ID. That's why he's firing back with questions. What crime? What description? What suspect? This isn't just attitude, it's legal literacy. And notice how the officer gives a badge number immediately, which is legally required when asked. Question for you. If you were stopped in this situation, would you confidently assert your rights like this? Or would the moment catch you off guard?
You have suspicion?
I'm not stopping.
You have suspicion? Well, you ain't supposed to ask that, though, because you're running them right now in leads.
You're free to go right now.
Yeah, you is free to go. He is free to go. He always free to go. And don't ask nobody else on how with their name without them committing crimes. That is illegal. Y'all time is almost up. All right? Don't ask nobody their name and their ID. That's illegal.
Everybody good out here?
Yeah, everybody always good out here. We only good when you ain't out here manipulating people. Have a nice day. Stop scanning people's names. Find some real criminals.
All right, let's break this down professionally. This entire encounter centers around two key legal principles: the requirement for reasonable suspicion under stop and identify laws, and the obligation for officers to conduct searches and detentions in a racially neutral, constitutionally compliant manner. The cases mentioned, from Michael Bennett to Mike Scott, highlight how inconsistent enforcement can produce unlawful stops, suppressed evidence, and dismissed prosecutions. The broader takeaway? Knowing your rights isn't optional. It's a shield against misuse of authority. If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping Cop Cam TV breakdowns.